Hi! In front of me is REALME C53 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access About Phone section. Then tap on Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Sunny. Now you can save your changes by selecting OK in this pop-up and then the other one about visibility. So when I click, as you can see, name of my REALME has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!